Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I'm going to get ready to go Christmas shopping and then we're going to go to dinner afterwards. So I'm going to do some makeup and thought I'd show you what I'm doing for today. So thanks for tuning in and please hit the subscribe button below and stay tuned. So we're just going to do some shopping and I'm going to keep it light. I'm not going to do anything heavy. Not a big deal, but maybe a little bit of drama. I'm just going to figure it out as I go along. I'm a bit of a mess right now. I've got a lot of things laying around here, so I'm just going to pick up and go. It's one of those days. Although I am very organized, I couldn't figure out what I wanted to wear, so I just kind of threw everything down on my table and figured it out from there. Now I have a little bit of bruising right there because I got some lip filler yesterday, just like a half a syringe. And I'm not sure why I bruised so much, but it's not too bad and I will cover it up. And I just got a little bit of like a half a syringe in the front. Here comes my fiance. He's going to say something. Okay. He's fixing our internet right now. We have no internet. We haven't had it in 3 weeks. Yeah, hasn't been very good here because of it. Can't get on the computer. Can't do anything. Now he's talking to I have two female Havaneses. They both had babies 2 weeks ago. My one, Gigi is her name, she had one preemie puppy, and the little girl, little preemie baby she stayed alive for about 3 days, and we did everything we could to save her. She was as big as a hamster. She passed. So that was kind of really sad around here in the house. Now, Molly had 4, and they're doing great. 2 boys, 2 girls. So, and believe it or not, Gigi and Molly are sisters. And Molly let Gigi nurse because Gigi was devastated for a few days. Devastated. Bawling, crying, looking for a puppy. Bawling, crying, looking for her puppy. You'd think that, I mean, sometimes we don't know the emotions that our animals are having, but they're feeling a loss, you know, and it was pretty sad. But the beautiful thing is her sister let her in and let her nurse. Now, Gigi didn't have the instincts for these puppies that Molly did, because you know how they clean them up, and you know, I think God makes their puppies' poop taste good, because I can't figure out why they lick them and clean them, which is a great thing for me. But Gigi wasn't feeling that, so you could tell that. That was a little off. But anyway, it was beautiful. It was a beautiful thing. I videotaped it, and maybe I'll play it for you guys one of these days. But meanwhile, back to makeup. So, I couldn't decide whether I was going to use my Bye Bye foundation, which I love this stuff. And usually when I use this, I put this L'Oreal Lumi primer. It's a very illuminating primer. It's just a glow. I usually use this first, and then I'll put this over it, and your face looks flawless when you do that. But I'm not going to do that because I just splurged on a Chanel Le Beige's Healthy Glow Sheer Powder. Now, there's no illuminator or illumination in this powder. So, but I guess Healthy Glow means, looks like a healthy glow, which I've used this twice already, and I'm just like, I don't normally use powder unless I'm going over my makeup just to matte it. But I'm using this kind of alone. It is a color, it's color number 20, which is kind of a light to medium beige. It's not a lot of coverage, and sometimes I don't really like a lot of coverage, but it's beautiful. I mean, it's beautiful. I mean, it's an investment, I guess, in your skin, but it's absolutely gorgeous. Anyway, enough said. So I've already put my moisturizer on. I've put my eye cream on, and oh, I wanted to show you guys this. I recently bought this on Amazon. I'm sorry, it's dirty from powder. I bought this from Amazon, and it's just like a real steady, stiff box because I keep my makeup, a lot of my makeup in my car, just because I like to grab and then I bought these little bags that you can buy on Amazon, and I labeled each one eyes, blush. Did I put blush? Blush, highlighters. This is so cool. I keep everything organized in here, just in my car. This isn't all my makeup, but it makes me feel better knowing that the certain things that they have that I can bring with me, I put right here. I keep it in my seat next to me. And I just go, oh, you know what? I need a little bit of eyes before I walk into the restaurant here, you know? So this is awesome. And then it has little rooms for the brushes, and it's really cool. I love it. So you're never without in your car. Now, oh, so the reason why I look in here is because I want to start out with my Tula Rose Glow. It's the Rose Glow Under Eyes. So this is a kind of a primer slash illuminator for under your eyes, and all you do is just smear it underneath. That's it. It's not emollient at all, okay? Not emollient. It just has some good stuff for your skin under your eyes. It gives some illumination. So for me, even though I do use eye cream, wait a couple minutes, and then I put this over my eye cream. A lot of people wake up in the morning and just smear this under their eyes. So, you know, it works for that too. But anyway, this is it's getting a lot of great reviews. A lot of people are loving it. Is that? I hope that's... let me tap it. Sorry if this isn't. Tula Rose Glow and Get It Cooling and Brightening Eye Balm. I can tell you this, it doesn't smell very good, but it works. Works pretty good. Probiotics and superfoods. Okay, I got probiotics under my eyes. Who would have known? So I want to start out with my Holy Grail primer, Tatcha, the Skin Canvas. And it is a skin canvas. I love it. And, you know, I can't tell you what kind of brushes I use because I kind of just, I see a brush, it looks good, and I either buy it and I use it. And I don't know the name of it. I don't know the number. I don't know the kind, the brand. I don't know. Just use it. Sorry. Maybe when I get a little bit more into this, I'll be better at that. But, so, I'm not going to use that one. I'm going to use that. I do have a really cool brush that I'll show you guys, but this is cool. All right, so this is Expert Face Brush, see? It's very soft. So I'm going to use this brush, twirl it around. Feels good, actually, this brush does. I'll have to remember. So Tatcha is one of the best, okay? It's a great face primer. It smooths your skin, fills lines. I love it. And your makeup lasts a very long time. Oh, that's a blush. I'm doing so well. It is Saturday, guys, so forgive me. It's my off day. And I've had 2 cups of coffee. But yeah, this is the Tatcha. Do you like my nails? Although I'm on my 2nd week of my nails. I gotta get them done again, but it's a holiday nail. Okay. Feels good. Feels good. Really good. Okay, so I got that. Still not sure about the foundation. Even though I got the face primer on. Although the face primer, I do need to put a cover up there for sure. Okay, so now I'm going to use the Color Science Total Eye 3-in-1 Renewal Eye Therapy. Good stuff. Good, good, good stuff. Okay. Sorry, guys. I'm not really liking my phone lately. It should be. Not happy about that. Maybe I wonder if I turn that off. Wow. All right, so moving on. What you do is, well, I don't know, you squeeze a little bit out, dab it on. Oops. Now, I had a lot of problems under my eyes with peeling, and hopefully I'm okay. If I'm not okay, I'm gonna have to rinse this off and then use, actually, it's not bad. Another way, if you have oh God, there it is. If you have under eye peeling, what am I gonna, peeling, like, almost crepey skin under your eyes. It's crepey and rough. And it's, I'm gonna say peeling, but you know what, I don't, anybody that has this issue knows what I'm talking about. It's peely, like you can't wear under eye makeup because it's too crepey. And the makeup gets into the peeling of the skin, even though it's very fine peeling, it really, really sucks. But there's a way to solve that. You put oil on, which I use maybe a cuticle oil, any good oil. I use a cuticle oil, really. And I dab it in and I wait a couple of minutes. You don't rinse it off. You just dab it into the eye. You can do it after your eye cream. Wait about 5 minutes, then put on your concealer. Believe it or not, you're good to go. It's as smooth as a canvas. But I'm looking and it's not bad. I can deal. I think I can deal. I need a little bit more coverage. And so I'm not going to use more of that. I use a thicker eye concealer. Where is it? And I use a fine brush just to get the little dark area that I see. Because I don't like a lot of makeup under my eyes. I just don't. I mean, you know why? Because it doesn't last. You know, I mean, I'm going to be gone for a few hours, and I don't want to look at the under my eyes and, you know, and well, let's see, what time is it? It's 2:45. That's how late I'm getting started. I don't want to look under my eyes at 6:30 and see a lot of crepiness. And if you put a lot of under eye makeup on, you are going to see crepiness unless you know your stuff, unless you know a good eye concealer that just doesn't do that. All right, so I love these little lip brushes, guys. I buy them wherever I see them, whoever sells them. Here it is. These little lip brushes, they're retractable. I mean, you can get them anywhere, but they have like the thinnest brush. I use this for my concealer. And I use the Pixie by Petra, okay? And it's a peachy color. And I just take a dab and I go over the dark area. That's all I do. So I'm going to go with a little bit more of a more natural look today. And I just go over it. Just that area that bugs you. We all have it, don't we? You know, I see these young YouTuber makeup influencers, and you know, they've got very young skin, so it's very easy to look flawless. It's a lot easier than it is for us, you know, and I love watching them, and I do, you know, buy their makeup or colors. When I see the colors that they're wearing, I buy it, I like it, but you know, we got to do things a little differently. I'm 56 years old and definitely have to do things a little differently. So there, I put that on. Now I'm just going to dab it a tiny bit, just a tiny, and I'll probably bring this with me because I'm going to have to do another touch up, but that's going. I like it. Let's color this ears up. Now my fiance, been together about, we've been together a long time, 13, 14 years. Tired of calling him my fiance, but honestly, at my age, I feel better calling him my fiance than my boyfriend. I just feel really weird at my age calling somebody my boyfriend, okay? Okay, I'm going to stop this video. This is part 1. I'm going to stop it because I've been having problems with uploading too long of a video on YouTube, and I'm going to go to part 2. So sorry if it's been inconvenience, but I'll be back.